tayo bibili ng bibingka. May nakita tayong bibingka dito. Ayun, bibingka. May malaki, may maliit. Puso. Pirang bibingka sa'yo. Pakilagay lang po ng bahay. Okay.
Dai, dagang ulit, dai.
Bibingka. Bibingka ni Neneng. Tabi ko. Walang sinelas. Hirap talaga buhay sa mundo. Ang dami nagbibigay sa kanya. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees, if that's what you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that falling bond. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we'll be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that falling bond. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile and love together. Or I will show
tubig, nag-iigib kayo. Hindi, nagana.
Oo, nagigib. Pero yung inumin, sa iba. Binibili yung inumin.
Dito kami mag-iinuman na aking kapatid sa Barrio 8 Restaurant, Katarman Northern Summer, baby. Okay, mga kaibigan, sige, i-picture mo. Iinuman kami magkapatid. Ayan mga kaibigan, dito sa Barrio 8. Meron kami dito, calamares. Para natin pang San Miguel. Hain ng pang... May pansit akong dala rito eh. Pwede mo iuwi kasi hindi ko na uwi. Ewan ko lang.
Uwi ko lang sa bahay.
Ha?
Uwi ko lang sa bahay.
Kaya nga, ewan ko. Sana naman hindi masira. Hain ng pang bukasin.
Ito.
Oh. Palagyan mo nga ng ice cream. Yan, San Miguel. Ito lang ang pwede sa akin. Yan. Yan. Tignan natin itong calamares na bagong huli sa dagat. Sarap. Pangalan nito, Barrio 8. Barrio 8 Restaurant and Coffee Shop.